Good no. Robert Loggia was the other man on the big piano. It's okay, not a lot of people know that. We always trick you. But today it's starring this Robert and myself. So are you guys ready to hear some free music? Yeah! Alright, what is the song that was in the movie Big that had something to do with an eating utensil?
Chopstick.
That's right.